Hi everyone, my name is Charlotte Capogna-Amias. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the Assistant Director for the TRIO Student Support Services Program. I'm just sending this message in lieu of our annual TRIO recognition dinner that we always do at the end of each semester. I wanted to say a few words to our graduates and to all of our students. First, starting with our grads, please know we are so proud of you. And also, I just want to recognize that I know it's probably really disappointing and we're all sad that commencement is not happening this May 16th. I myself am a first generation college student. Neither of my parents have a four-year bachelor's degree, and I know what a big deal it was to me to achieve my degree and then to celebrate for commencement. So I hope that some of you will still be able to come in October when that is happening. We will definitely be there to celebrate you and honor you. And I would encourage you on May 16th, the day that should have been our commencement day, to still do something to celebrate that day. Whether that's a video call with people who are meaningful to you in your life to raise a toast to you, or getting all dressed up and holding up a big sign that says Class of 2020, or maybe you put the message that would have been on your cap in your photos. And if you do that, please share it with us. We would love to see them. Or maybe it's just making a really great meal and celebrating the day in that way. Do something to recognize that day because even though we are in the midst of a pandemic, that does not take away that you all have worked so hard for your degrees and that you've earned them. So, congratulations, good for you. And we are so proud of you. And I wish from the bottom of my heart that I could be there in person to celebrate you this May. For those of you who are returning in the fall, we miss you. We can't wait to see you when we come back to campus. And again, for our graduates, please stay in touch. We love to see updates. We love it when folks come by to visit. So know that we're thinking of you all and sending you so much love. So big congratulations and hello from your TRIO family to you.